Mucemanio ira kubangia tatika kamiti ya bunge ya Seneti ya Urumo na bunge ya kaunti ya Meru niyotirite nyuma ya barua ya kubeta kumenyeka itakinyila barabonde pendekana akiri mucemanio yu untubara mukariti wa kamiti Mohamed Chute thirite akiwa beto ringi na barabonde bakwendekana batumiro barua yu kureo Antony Kathenya na kulikithia riboti.
Mucemanio uria uri mubangani umri gatigati gotongere bwa County Assembly ya Meru na kamiti ya ngwatanio na Urumo muno wandikanikiri thirikari na andu ang'iji a thirikari uthirire ndakinga intaretu nyuma ya kwambiria. Ino ni nyuma ya Speaker wa County Assembly ya Meru Ayub Bundi gukinya mucemanio ni uju athingate na clerk wa assembly ino ake otabure baru elela betete la ugite.
Being our first appearance here, which we had no proper guidance, possibly, because I was called by the clerk on 17th that whether we are coming, and I thought, please, we never received the letter. So he posted me a letter saying that you are invited, you and the speaker. Out of which, Mr. Speaker, and being our first meeting with you, we could not actually go beyond that to know that service board could be the one needed here. So information, how we interpreted this letter is the reason why we are here, me and the speaker.
Aidha kulingana na masinta ba kamiti ino, County Assembly Service Board na abisa munene onenkaniri kandarathi ni bamwe ba maabisa ba County Assembly ino barabara baterio na bokinya mucemanio ni uju. Kamiti ino leo kiloge kila kwayo gwita Speaker Ayub Bundi na kanjo ekairi gukinya mbele ya kamiti ino ntuku ingi.
Kwanza, first of all, let me say thank you very much for coming, for honoring our invitation. And as always say, this is a committee in the Senate. We treat you with a lot of respect. We wanted to listen to you and, if possible, see how we can help each other, because we are serving this country as one unit.
Akiari nyuma ya mucemanio uju, Speaker Ayub Bundi ni arithite County Assembly ya Meru ni ingiti maingi mamendikithia mawatho mala makonina wandikani na betayari gucokera kairi jikaronino na kila kionde gikwendekana. Speaker Ayub Bundi akiuga County ya Meru ni thite na mbere kuthongoma kumana na ngwataniro ya County Assembly ni ya Meru na thirikari ya county no.
Batu tuli County Assembly ya Meru ira ntongeretie na tuina crack na members betu ba assembly, the MCAs na staff betu ituistaniretie kuhakikisha Meru ne gwitira ngui nthongi na ngui njega na ndinama ndi sure that nyantu ba Meru bakuona mwaka jumwe juthiri kwithite kwina okiri na ngugi yetu ne kwendea ndene Meru bwega na tutena thina na mturukano uriku.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Mbicha Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.